Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today we are going to be making fruit salad yummy yummy from the Wiggles.
Fruit salad, yummy yummy.
Because they came to Perth recently for an 18 plus event, and Flavia and I couldn't go because of COVID, and apparently everyone was absolutely screaming fruit salad, and I got really upset that we couldn't do it, so we're making it today because anyone can make it, and yes, I'm very excited. So this was actually recommended by FwumuNinja, and I think this is Ethan, who I was supposed to go to the Wiggles concert with. So I think he's trolling us, but we're trolling you back, sir. So we're gonna make it. Just saying. Thank you for the recommendation, because actually, oh my god, yay. So if you haven't heard of fruit salad, where have you been? You had no childhood, sorry. But the link to the video is down below because it's just beautiful. It's just so good. Greg is my favorite, and it was just such a childhood thing, so we have to do it. And so what you need to do, as they mentioned, you need to have a plastic knife and have a grown-up. Where do we find one of those? We need an adult. Because fruit salad apparently is really hard to make, and I don't know what to do. First step, we're going to peel the banana.
I've peeled the banana.
Beauty, mate.
I've got some grapes to put in the fruit salad bowl.
The second step is to toss in some grapes. The third step is to chop up some apple. Do this carefully.
I'm chopping up some melon.
And put them on our plate. Now we've made it, it's time to eat. Oh, no, there you go back now. It tastes so good, you just can't beat it.
Oh,
Grab a plate and a spoon.
and we'll be eating it real soon. What kind of trash.
Now we eat it.
Now we eat it.
Fruit
Salad.
Yummy,
yummy.
I'm so sorry. We had a great time filming this.
We did.
I hope you enjoyed watching it, or at least cringe watching it, because I loved it.
I enjoyed it.
It just made me very happy. Because I haven't been a dum-dum for so long. I love it.
Dum-dum in so long.
Dum-dum. I highly recommend buying multiple coloured shirts and making something this simple as fruit salad.
Oh yeah.
It fulfills all my childhood dreams. Make it. You won't regret it. Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Oh, yummy, yummy.
Oh, stop it.
Okay, wait, what's the next line? It tastes so good, you just can't beat it.
Wait, what am I supposed to say?
Again.
Again?
Again.
Oh.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And please leave us a comment down here. We'd really love to hear back from you. Let us know if you want us to make anything. Ideally fandom. Pew, pew, pew. Finger guns.
Lame.
I don't care.